In this scenario, we're going to be using the awareness circle map. Now, if you're not sure what that is, or if you would like a refresher, go to healingcenter.ca or rusleto.com, click on the Geometryxs link, click on Awareness Circle, and you'll see an overview of the map, as well as other scenarios you can follow along with as well. This scenario is managing unwanted thoughts. Thoughts live outside of your awareness circle. Have you ever thought about this? Have you ever wondered why you're not aware of every single thought, again, past, present, or future, that you ever had? Well, I mean, if you did, it would kind of make your head spin, wouldn't it? But all these thoughts still exist. They are just currently outside of your awareness. When those thoughts find you, what they're doing is they were outside your awareness, and now they're coming into your awareness, and you are noticing them. Now, what is an unwanted thought for our purposes here? This is a thought, again, past, future, present, that when you notice it, it doesn't feel good. We often call them negative thoughts, but from an energy mechanics perspective, what a negative thought is a thought that doesn't physically feel good. Here's typically what we do. It came into our awareness, so what we're going to do is push it out of our awareness. And the way that we do that is we focus on it. So we try to sort of focus it out of our awareness. And what we know from a mechanics perspective is whatever we focus on, and I always like to say whether you love it or whether you hate it, whatever you focus on is going to get bigger, or it's going to come closer to that center circle, which is your focus in this present moment. So when you try to focus it and push it back out of your awareness, you're actually going to be drawing it closer and closer and closer. Well, then what do? Well, using our energy mechanics, we know that whatever you focus on gets bigger, or in this case comes closer. Whatever you don't starts to move away. So what you're going to do when you notice the thought, notice the physical feeling that doesn't feel good, you're going to focus on anything other than it. Now, for me, my go-to strategy is focus on something physical. Right, physical in this present moment. It's tangible. If it's something you're eating, if it's coffee, if you're tasting, if it's the sunshine, something you're looking at, it's a physical sensation. Now, if you're focusing on that, what are you not focusing on? You're not focusing on the unwanted thought, because what we also know from our awareness circle map is we can only focus on one thing at one time. So if you're focusing on something here in this physical present moment, you're not focusing on that unwanted thought. And what do we know? Whatever we focus on gets bigger. Whatever we don't focus on gets smaller. So what will happen is that thought will start to move back out towards and outside of your awareness. So we're not trying to push it outside. We're allowing it to leave.